In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a battery-powered right angle grinder from the company Bohemian. Maybe is how you would say that. Just to note, this comes without a battery. It came packaged like this with the right angle grinder. I added the handle, and then it has the little safety cage right there. I will put that on. I think it goes on like this right here. And then this right here is to loosen that up, and you're gonna hold it down. And I use the Warrior cutoff wheel, so that's what I'm gonna be using today. And it's the 4.5-inch wheels, but check it out. I have the Makita drill here, and it uses a Makita battery. So it uses this battery, which I think is the 1820 is the battery I have right here, but I think it comes in a lot of different sizes. This one is the 18 volt 2 amp hour battery, but you can get a lot of batteries for this. Actually, let's check this out. Just watch how this works. Because I have Makita tools, there you go, that worked perfect. Tighten that up. So let's go ahead, let's put the guard on, and let's put the cutoff wheel on, and I have a piece of metal over there, and we'll put this thing to the test. You do get a little set of instructions, but you know what? I have a corded right angle grinder, so I do not need these, so that's useless to me. Let me grab a piece of metal, put this thing together, and let's get to cut. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, now I'm gonna take the battery off. Let's take that off while we rack it on, and it looks like it just slides on like that. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, to put the wheel on, we're gonna hold the block there, loosen this up, and it has two sides to it, just like that. See how that locks in there like that? There we go. Nice and tight. Put the battery back on. So now we have the cutoff wheel on there. Let's go ahead and let's try this real quick. I'm just gonna cut it real quick. I am wearing safety glasses, by the way. Oh, wow. That cut, that cut fast. Let's try that again. Oh boy, this works perfect. Everybody, I am very impressed with this thing. It is a little noisy, but I don't see any issue with that. I think it's just the nature of the unit. Look how quickly I can cut this. That's working just as good as a corded one. You see that? I am fully charged right there. That green light goes up, medium to high. Battery's fully charged. I've used this several times now, and I've been very impressed with this. And like I said, I use the Warrior cutoff wheel right here, and mostly what I'm using a right angle grinder for is some quick cutting, some metal, and get me some things to weld or something. I think this is a very affordable option for anybody that's looking for a decent right angle grinder that can kind of do it all. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Bohemian battery powered right angle grinder. See y'all in the next video.